Welcome to AutoBig. For the 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-1 does not return to the lineup, as Ford has officially discontinued this iconic variant after the 2023 model year. However, the spirit of the Mach-1 has been reborn in the form of the Mustang Dark Horse, which now stands as the ultimate naturally aspirated performance model in the Mustang family. While Mach-1 had long been the bridge between the GT and more track-focused models like the Shelby GT500, the Dark Horse takes its place with even sharper engineering, stronger power, and a bolder identity that pushes the boundaries of what a muscle car can be in modern times. Under the hood, the Dark Horse carries a modified 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine tuned to produce around 500 horsepower and 418 pounds-feet of torque, delivering a significant bump over the previous Mach-1's 480 horsepower. This makes it the most powerful non-Shelby, naturally aspirated Mustang ever produced. Drivers can choose between a trim X6-speed manual transmission with rev matching, or an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers lightning-fast shifts. Performance hardware includes Brembo 6-piston brakes, Magni-Ride adaptive suspension, a 3.73 Tucson limited slip rear differential, and a unique class-first drift brake system that allows enthusiasts to explore controlled oversteer with precision. Beyond sheer numbers, the Dark Horse embraces the driver-focused thrill that made Mach-1 legendary, offering a balance of track readiness and road usability that appeals to purists and modern drivers alike. On the exterior, the Dark Horse wears a more aggressive stance than the GT, with a menacing front fascia, larger air intakes, functional cooling ducts, a rear spoiler, and unique badging that sets it apart. The design continues the legacy of muscle car boldness but reinterprets it with sharper, modern aerodynamics. Inside, the cockpit reflects the evolution of Mustang performance, featuring a fully digital 12.4-inch instrument cluster, a massive 13.2-inch infotainment screen angled toward the driver, Recaro performance seats, and Dark Horse-specific trims and details. Advanced driving modes, including track and drag settings, provide tailored driving experiences that maximize the car's abilities in different environments. Ford has clearly designed the Dark Horse to be the enthusiast's Mustang, one that keeps alive the raw V8 muscle heritage in an era when many competitors are shifting toward electrification. Compared to the retired Mach-1, the Dark Horse doesn't just replace a car, it exceeds it in almost every way, from power and handling to technology and overall performance focus. For those who loved the Mach-1 nameplate, its absence in 2025 is certainly felt, but the Dark Horse serves as a worthy successor that ensures Mustang's muscle legacy remains untamed. In essence, while you won't find a 2025 Mach-1 badge at dealerships, the Dark Horse is the car that carries its spirit forward, offering the most visceral, naturally aspirated Mustang experience of the new generation.